Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you my terrace garden. And my weekend is starting great today because I have a couple of hours to myself to tend to my garden because my daughter is sleeping. So I wanted to do this for a very long time, however I was not able to, and today is a perfect day for this. I got up around 6 in the morning and I've been here cleaning up and shifting, plants, the smaller ones which have grown little big to a bigger pots and all that. And I'm gonna show you as to what plants I have and what vegetables I have and what I wish to grow and all that. It's a simple terrace garden, not big and not huge and all that, but I really feel satisfied when I come and sit here and tend to them and all that. So who doesn't like flowers and plants, right? So put coriander. I love coriander chutney and all that, and it's kind of very difficult to store them in the kitchen, and that's the reason why I thought, why not, make coriander, why not, grow coriander. So love soil. The first thing that I'm gonna show you is my brinjal crop. I kind of feel very proud and accomplished after watching, them grow. So these are my cute little veggies. Okay, but they grow so fast, today you see them so small and by tomorrow they are this big. So they kind of miraculously grow overnight, and it's kind of fascinating to watch them grow. So I'm gonna show you my next one, which is my cherry tomato. Now I seriously don't know how it came here because this is actually a mully plant, okay, a jasmine, and recently I started watching that my cherry tomato has started growing here, and that's like kind of wonderful because I have never put the seed here and I don't know how it came about. Small hibiscus. Now these actually grow in bunches. Now I have like 2 of them today, but yesterday I had close to 5 or 6 of them. Is my chili crop, my green chili crop and red chili crop. You can see both of them. They kind of look as if they are small bulbs, and here is one, and here are the other ones. Now in chilies you will find a few varieties where one of them grows downward, but this chili is something that grows upwards, that is, it will grow towards the sun. So it's been a month since I've stopped buying chilies outside because I have fresh chilies available at home, and that kind of feels really good. Lady's finger. Now you can see the little one, right? Now today is kind of small, but trust me, within 2 days it will grow so long. Okay, so this is my brinjal crop. So can you see how tall it's grown? And it kind of has set in its own saplings. You can see the small ones, right? Yes. I'm gonna show you my cherry tomatoes now. fresh tulsi. Now this tulsi is really strong, really good for sore throat, okay, or any kind of tulsi tea that you want to make. I'm gonna show you my Kanakambrans. Yay, I love them. They're in full bloom today, so I'm gonna pluck them out and I'm gonna thread it, and maybe if Sai Shriya gives me an opportunity, I'm gonna make sure that she she wears it. Now here is my Karam Tulsi. They've grown quite well, these little saplings. My mom has a story. She says that Tulsi Ma will have a headache if you don't cut out these seeds, because they're quite heavy on her head, it seems. And I believe whatever my mom says, and so does everybody else. So I'm gonna cut all of these seeds and store them properly so that we can use it, or I can give it to someone else who wants a seedling, and that's how they grow. So Ma Tulsi Ma, I'm gonna make sure that you don't have a headache. So here are a bunch of them. Yeah, they're nice, dark red. However, when they dry out, they slowly change into light rose.
Bala garden.
என்னென்ன காய், fruits, vegetables
இருக்கு. வெண்டைக்காய், மிளகாய், கத்திரிக்காய், பீன்ஸ், அவரைக்காய் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. போன்சாயில் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. அடினோர், செம்பருத்தி, மல்லி, ரோஜா எல்லாமே.
செம்பருத்தில எவ்வளவு டைப்ஸ் இருக்கு? இருக்குது
20 டைப் மேல இருக்கு. மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் தான் மெயின். அதே மாதிரி ரொம்ப தண்ணி அதிகம் போடக்கூடாது. அதே மாதிரி சாணம் உரம் அதிகம் சேர்க்கக்கூடாது. செம்மண், ஆர்கானிக் கோகோபிட், இது அது கொஞ்சம் போட்டால் இது ஒரு புடி தான் போடணும். இதுவும் நிறைய போடக்கூடாது. அதே மாதிரி கரெக்டாக இதை பதம் பார்த்து வச்சுக்கணுங்களா, உங்களுக்கு 15 நாளில் உங்களுக்கு ரிசல்ட்டு.